और माने अत्यंत शुद्ध विशुद्ध प्रेम।
So the love of Radha and Krishna is a very pure love.
विवाहित पत्नी के जो प्रेम दिखाए वो प्रेम में कुछ इस संसार में जिसको देखते उसी की कह देंगे यही बड़े प्रेम।
Of sense gratification.
कृष्ण जो है राधा जी के साथ विवाह किया, इसलिए जो है विवाह होने के बाद उनको क्या करना पड़ता है?
And then you see the water flowing from underneath the sand, you know. So this is a Falgu river. So
किंतु उनके नहीं दिखाया। क्या है रुक्मिणी की शादी है, रुक्मिणी की शादी।
That's why this Falgu Varaga is coming, you know, this renunciation of like the Falgu river. Like externally the person shows some renunciation, but internally the person is full of sense gratification.
तो वहाँ राधा जी के पास है कार्यक्रम। क्या बताया?
What?
छोड़ते नहीं, उनके प्रश्न क्या बता रही थी? क्या बोली यार?
So what is her question about Chandravali?
क्या बता रहे? राधारानी ब्रज में है।
Radharani is in Braj, Rukmini Satyabhama in Dwarka. Rukmini is the wedded wife of Krishna. What have I said? They got married. But Shrimati Radhika with Krishna, they did not get married. So that wedding that Brahmaji performed in Bandir Bhat, this wedding of Radha and Krishna he performed. Even some people can say things against that, this story. The Gaudiya Vaishnavas, they believe in this story, they accept, they honor it, but some people, like, they don't. Because generally after the wedding, what must be done? You have to live with the wife, live together. Gotta live together. But they are not living together, Radha and Krishna. Because Shrimati Radhika lives in Jabat.
राधा जी के साथ विवाह किया, इसलिए जो है ये दिखाया गया, प्रमाण दिखाया गया।
So the evidence that Krishna got married to Shrimati Radhika, but
हाँ, जब पुराण में इसको दिखाया गया, लोग
Sorry,
ध्यान
there is the
नहीं,
evidence that Krishna got married to
लोग
Rukmini,
तो समझेंगे नहीं
but
सत्य परक्या
with
क्या है।
Shrimati Radhika, there's no evidence that Krishna got married to Shrimati Radhika. The stories of the Puranas that they got married, actually, like performed by Brahma, is only to pacify the people of this world that think that Parakya Bhav is something which is not good, and think that Parakya Bhav is like the Parakya Bhav of this world.
तो देखो उसी के तहत कह देंगे यही बोले प्रेम है, ये तो प्रेम नहीं
But in this world, there's no prema actually.
है, हैं? क्या वो इसमें होता है गलता पहाड़ में,
So that started in Gauta Pahari, that Shrimati
बलदेव
Radhika.
प्रताप जनक।
Oh no, that Baldev Vidyabhushan went to Gauta Pahari to explain how Shrimati Radhika, she should be worshipped with Krishna, and there's proof. There are proofs that they got married like this.
राधा कृष्ण की प्रेम जो है ये शुद्ध विशुद्ध प्रेम,
The prema of Radha Krishna is so pure.
क्योंकि आप विवाहित आप पत्नी की जो प्रेम दिखाए वो प्रेम में कुछ
Actually, the love that a wedded wife has is even less. It's lacking something in the wedded love of the wife. It's lacking something in this love. What? What is
ये
lacking?
होता है क्या, देखो सौख्या में होता क्या है,
In the Swakya love, in the wedded wife husband mood,
बाधा नहीं रहने,
there are no obstacles for the meeting. So there's not eagerness to meet each other.
हाँ समझे, प्रेम राज्य की ये विशेष होता है जहाँ
So the speciality in the realm of prem is when there are obstacles,
बाधाएं जब होते हैं उस वक्त की प्राप्ति के लिए प्रबल उत्पन्न होता है।
we have so much eagerness to attain.
विवाह होने के बाद क्या, विवाह होने के बाद वो उनकी कोई बाधा नहीं रहता,
After the wedding, there's no obstacle.
और अपने जतिच्छ जो उनके मिलन होता रहता है,
So you can just meet freely.
यहाँ पर परक्य तो दिखाया जाता है,
But when there is parakya, you cannot meet freely like this.
7 बजे कर्फ्यू है,
So 7 o'clock, there's curfew.
कष्ट कर गया जब चले जाओ उसके
So you came so with so much endeavor, and now you're going without even listening Harikatha.
हैं? बोलो जी हम डॉक्टर दिखा करके आ रहे हैं क्या कि हैं? आरोग्य में क्या होता है अपने मिलन की उत्कंठा बाधा रहता है।
So in Parakya, there's so much eagerness to meet because there are so many obstacles for the meeting.
क्या बताया बताया?
What have I said? Tell me.
बच्चों काम करो।
Okay, Prachana Kamakta, these obstacles. Sorry, Prachana Kamakta, the hidden lust in Parakya Bhav. The love is hidden. Rulabata, very rarely they meet. Vamyata, this left wing's mood also is another obstacle for the meeting.
जो है वो क्या होता है अपने दायित्व responsibility.
So in Sakya, you're so much in wedded mode. You're so much absorbed in the duty and responsibility, and also Aishwarya Buddhi, like this opulent mood is also there.
Yeah. हम हाँ एक दूसरे के जो है कुछ राहत इच्छा मैं आपकी सेवा करूं मुझे तो कुछ नहीं चाहिए. If I serve you, I also want something back. You think like that when you're wedded. Like केवल सब देते हैं.
But in Parakya, Paramour mood, you just give everything. You're not thinking about taking anything because you're Paramour. You're not married to each other. Nothing's yours. In this life, you can get. And in the next life, whatever the Krishna's pastimes are going on, you'll be born there. You'll be born in that universe where the Krishna's pastimes are going on in the next life. How many days I will stay? I will stay, because she's asking how long you'll be here for, like this. Gurudev said, how many days I will stay? I will stay for this amount of days. That's it. She didn't come, or he didn't come. Okay, give prasad. Tomorrow I'll speak more. No, don't allow anybody to go without taking prasad. Very nice prasadam. So beautiful, these pomegranate seeds. Give to everyone. Manifest this book quickly. Bhakta Bhakti Bhagavan. Where's the water? Put some in my hand. I think she said sometimes we feel some. I think that did he ask something about like if we feel some loba or something? Is this some like confusion, some illusion, or is really true like this? And Gurudev said, why? Why illusion like this? Because if you have that thing, then it will just will mature later. I think he said like this, but we couldn't hear properly. Jai Sri Gurudev.